Welcome back to MD Caregiving, where we provide instructional videos on the safe use of common home medical equipment and caregiver training. This video will focus on assisting persons who are having difficulty with bathing transfers due to weakness. The focus will be on the use of a bathing board. A bathing board is a transfer aid that clamps to the top of the tub threshold, commonly used for tall tubs that will not afford the use of a transfer bench. Place the bathing board along the top of the tub, straddling both sides evenly. After positioning the bathing board, lock it in place per device instructions. The bathing board should be placed so a seated person will face the faucet and have sufficient legroom to enter the tub. After positioning the bathing board, lock it in place per the device instructions. Step 1. When using a wheelchair and the person is able to stand, position the wheelchair parallel to the tub just behind the bathing board. The front corner of the wheelchair and the rear corner of the bathing board should be touching, allowing room for the individual to stand and turn. Lock the wheelchair brakes and swivel the front wheels out of the way to a rear-facing position. Step 2. Provide assistance for the individual to stand and position themselves with the back of both of their legs touching the bathing board. Assist them to reach toward the bathing board with at least one hand, then slowly sit down. The wheelchair armrest can be used as a handhold to assist with sitting. If the person being assisted is unable to stand, position the wheelchair parallel to the tub and next to the bathing board. The wheelchair seat and the bathing board should be as close to each other as possible. Lock the wheelchair brakes and swivel the front wheels out of the way to a rear-facing position. Remove the armrest closest to the tub. Step 2. Instruct the individual to reach toward the bathing board with their hand closest to the tub, palm down on the seat. Their other hand remains on the wheelchair armrest. Instruct and assist them to lift their body carefully and scoot from the wheelchair seat onto the bathing board seat. This may take a few attempts, and their legs should still be outside the tub while scooting. Step 3. Once they are securely seated on the bathing board, carefully remove the wheelchair. Provide assistance to raise and lower their leg closest to the tub into the tub. Step 4. Provide assistance to raise and lower their other leg into the tub, positioning it next to their first leg. Assist them to continue to scoot along the bathing board, pushing down with both hands. Congratulations on your purchase of our instructional video for bathing transfers. And I'm sure you are now a more confident caregiver. MD Caregiving cautions you to review our videos prior to providing caregiver skills assistance, as bathing transfers can be difficult and potentially dangerous. Thank you for selecting MD Caregiving as your family caregiver training resource.